Stand on your knees and start practicing backbending with the support of the wall. Keep your hands completely straight near your ears and take your head and your hands together and touch the wall. Bend back. Now slowly walk on the wall and slowly touch the ground with your hands. Hold this position for a few seconds. Inhale and come back. Rest in child pose. You can use the cushion or a knee pad for this position under your knee. Come to the equestrian pose. Pelvis should be closer to the floor. Your feet should be completely straight. Shin could be perpendicular to the floor. And touch your feet to the wall and practice backbending while keeping your elbow and hands completely straight. Keep your hands near your ears and give a backbend and touch the wall. Now come back to the center. Use the brick, yoga brick, for the support. Now inhale center, and while exhaling, just go back, give a back bend, and this time try to touch your head to your feet. Once you're comfortable with this position, try to hold your feet also. Hold this position for a few seconds and feel the deep arc in your back. Come back and slowly relax. Repeat the same practice other side. Stand on your knees. Perform the camel pose. You can click up the link below or go to the description box to check the detailed video on camel position. Now slowly turn your shoulders out and take your head completely down to the floor. Slowly bend your elbows, try to touch your head to the floor, and try to keep your head in center of both of your feet. Slowly inhale, come back, rest in child position. Perform shoulder pose. Lie down on your back, stand your knees and touch your heels. Now lift your back completely, lift your pelvis so that you will be able to touch your chest to your chin. Perform 10 repetitions. Hold this position for a few seconds. Slowly come back. Prepare yourself for the bow pose. Lie down in prone position. Give few back bend. Now slowly hold your feet from behind and lift your upper body, lower body together. Click on the link above, or you can click on the description box to see the detailed video on bow pose. Lie down in supine position with standing knees. Keep your palms near your ears while fingers facing towards your feet. Now lift your pelvis high and press with the help of your palms and try to lift your upper body. Now in this position, keep your elbow completely straight and try to push your body towards the wall. Keep your chest completely out and push your body in front towards the wall. Try to keep your legs and hands as close as possible. Now push your body towards the floor and feel the deep arc in your back. Hold this posture for a few seconds. Slowly bend your elbows, take your head down slowly, comfortably, and then your pelvis, and slowly rest. Perform back bending with the support of the wall in standing position. Try to bend back only with the lower back. Keep your hands near your ears and take your head and your hands together to touch the wall. Now slowly walk on your hands and slowly try to touch the floor with the hands. Take your legs closer to your body, closer to the wall, and this time try to touch your chin and your chest to the wall. If your shoulders are open, you can easily do it. Check the link above or go to the description box to check the shoulders drill. Now slowly come to your elbows and keep your pelvis lifted high. Again, touch your chest to the wall. Hold this position for a few seconds. Come back on your hands. Now slowly walk back on the wall. Come to the standing position and give a forward bend and rest. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel PinakiYoga. I'll meet you soon in the next one. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy. Namaste.